How to log in to your Blooket account. Welcome back everyone to this new video of TechTube. Whether you are a teacher or a student trying to log into your account of Blooket, then in this video let me show you the quick process of successfully logging into it. If you also want to learn how you can do it, make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Now to log into your account, you can do it from the website of Blooket. For that, open up your web browser and search for blooket.com. Make sure you enter in the correct spelling, and once you do, it's going to take you to its website. From here on the top right, you can see two options. Either you can log in or sign up. If you're new to Blooket, firstly you need to create an account by clicking on sign up on the top right. But to log into it, click on the login option. Once you do, it's going to take you to the login section. Now depending upon which option you choose while creating your account, either you created your account with Google or using your email address. If you use your Google account while creating an account, click on the login with Google option and then just select your account and you'll be immediately logged in. But for the people who use their email address, type in the username or the email address that you used or created. Once you type in your email address or your username, in the second box, type in the password. If you have forgotten the password of your Blooket account, you can click on the forgot password link and follow the steps to reset your password. Once you type in both of these credentials, click on let's go. And if the details that you entered are correct, you will be successfully logged in to your Blooket account. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily guide videos that we post. That's going to be all for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one.